Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, where rivers sing and forests whisper ancient tales, lies Dev Bhumi, Uttarakhand, the land of the gods. Yet for too long, travelers struggled with scattered systems and manual processes. The lack of a uniform platform, limited access, and delayed planning left local communities behind.
Under the able guidance of Honorable Chief Minister of
Uttarakhand, Shri Pushkar Singh Dhamiji,
and Honorable Forest Minister of
Uttarakhand,
the Ecotourism Development Corporation and
Uttarakhand,
Forest Department, in collaboration with Paracore Enterprises, has launched a bold new initiative, the Integrated Ecotourism Platform.
This platform reflects a transformative vision to promote sustainable tourism, empower local communities, enhance the tourist experience, strengthen conservation efforts, boost adventure and nature-based activities, drive digital transformation, and position Uttarakhand on the global tourism map. In its first phase, travelers can now book forest rest houses, eco camps, safaris, treks, and zoo visits, all from one digital gateway. With Aadhaar-based verification, QR-enabled entries, and paperless check-ins, the experience is secure, seamless, and modern. The platform connects to trekking, homestays, wellness retreats, and certified eco-experiences, creating a unified, enriched travel journey. In its next phase, the platform will onboard local vendors, artisans, and transport operators, driving rural employment and entrepreneurship. This is more than a digital shift. It's a movement, one that aligns with the Honorable CM's vision of a prosperous Uttarakhand through green growth and smart governance. Explore nature, experience Dev Bhumi, empower communities.